Welcome back, adventure seekers. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Fortuner, a legendary SUV known for its unbeatable combination of ruggedness and luxury. Toyota has made some exciting updates for the 2025 model year, so let's find out if it lives up to its reputation as the ultimate all-terrain SUV. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner has received a fresh design update, and it looks more commanding than ever. Up front, you'll find a bold new grille flanked by sharp, dual-projector LED headlights with integrated DRLs, giving it a modern and aggressive stance. The sculpted body features bold character lines, flared wheel arches, and new 20-inch alloy wheels that enhance its road presence. At the rear, updated LED taillights and a sporty spoiler complete the look, making the Fortuner as stylish as it is rugged. Step inside the 2025 Fortuner, and you're greeted by a premium interior that combines comfort and functionality. The cabin features high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and elegant stitching that elevate the overall feel. The seats are ergonomically designed, with ventilated options available for added comfort on long drives. Toyota has equipped the Fortuner with cutting-edge technology, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get a 9-speaker JBL sound system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and wireless charging. With 3 rows of seating and flexible configurations, the Fortuner provides ample space for passengers and cargo, making it perfect for family adventures. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner offers 2 engine options. The standard 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine produces 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's also a 2.7-liter petrol engine for those seeking a traditional gasoline-powered option. Equipped with Toyota's renowned 4-wheel drive system, the Fortuner is built to conquer any terrain. Features like a locking rear differential, hill descent control, and multiple drive modes ensure it handles rocky trails, sandy dunes, and muddy paths with ease. Plus, with a towing capacity of up to 3,100 kilograms, it's ready for any adventure. The 2025 Fortuner comes packed with Toyota safety sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, pre-collision assist, and a 360-degree camera system for added confidence on and off the road. With its robust build quality and extensive safety features, it's one of the safest SUVs in its class. Despite its rugged nature, the Fortuner is surprisingly practical. It offers a spacious cargo area, fold-flat seats, and plenty of storage options throughout the cabin. Whether you're heading to the mountains or navigating the city, the Fortuner has you covered. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner starts at around $45,000, making it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable, capable, and luxurious SUV. It's an excellent blend of off-road capability, modern technology, and everyday practicality. So, what do you think about the new Fortuner? Is it the SUV you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.